Today I am reviewing the GIGABYTE AORUS MASTER 18 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with what makes this laptop stand out: its processor and graphics. At the heart of the AORUS MASTER 18 is the brand new Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX processor, boasting speeds up to 5.4 GHz. This is a powerhouse CPU capable of handling the most demanding tasks, whether it's heavy multitasking, gaming at max settings, or intensive video editing. Paired with this is the stunning NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU with a massive 24 GB of GDDR5 memory. This latest generation graphics card is built to handle the newest AAA games at ultra settings, ray tracing, and AI-enhanced graphics with ease. Whether you want buttery smooth frame rates in competitive shooters or breathtaking visuals in open-world RPGs, this GPU delivers an exceptional experience. Moving to memory and storage, the AORUS MASTER 18 is loaded with 64 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5,600 MHz. That's twice the amount found in many high-end laptops and provides remarkable headroom for gaming, streaming, and running demanding creative software simultaneously. Storage is equally impressive with a 2 TB PCIe Gen4 NVMe M.2 SSD that ensures lightning-fast boot times, rapid game loading, and seamless file transfers. Plus, the laptop supports expansions up to 6 TB of SSD storage and up to 128 GB of DDR5 RAM, making this a future-proof powerhouse. Now let's talk about the display, because the AORUS MASTER 18 sports one of the best laptop screens you can find. It features a massive 18-inch 1610 mini LED panel with a sharp resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels and an ultra-smooth 240 Hz refresh rate. This combination means you get crisp, vivid images and silky smooth motion, perfect for competitive gaming and immersive entertainment. Color accuracy is top-notch too, with 100% DCI, P3 color gamut coverage, Pantone validation, and Dolby Vision HDR support. If you're a content creator working on photo or video editing, or simply want the best visual experience, this display won't disappoint. Additionally, the screen is TV Rhineland certified for low blue light and flicker-free technology, making long gaming or work sessions easier on your eyes. Connectivity-wise, the laptop supports the latest standards, including Wi-Fi 7 for ultra-fast wireless internet and Bluetooth 5.4 for seamless device connections. Windows 11 Home comes pre-installed, optimized for both gaming and productivity. In terms of design, the AORUS MASTER 18 carries a sleek 5-degree black finish that's both stylish and professional. Its large footprint is justified by the powerful hardware packed inside, along with effective cooling solutions to keep the system running smoothly under heavy loads. Users will appreciate the keyboard, audio quality, and port selection, although specific details may vary by configuration. Generally, AORUS laptops are known for their responsive RGB keyboards and premium build quality. In conclusion, the GIGABYTE AORUS MASTER 18 is an elite gaming laptop that delivers unmatched power and visual fidelity. If you want the best CPU and GPU combo, massive memory and storage, and a stunning display designed for pro-level gaming and content creation, this laptop is hard to beat. It's a top-tier investment for anyone serious about performance and future-proofing their setup with the latest tech. If money is no object, and you want the ultimate gaming and creative experience on the go, the AORUS MASTER 18 deserves your serious consideration.